Are you an auto repair shop owner struggling to maximize your profitability? If so, you're in the right place, because in this video, we're going to explain the powerful tool of matrix pricing, a tool that promises profitability, efficiency, and a trustworthy reputation for your auto repair shop. Plus, we even have a free downloadable matrix pricing template for you. Matrix pricing is simpler than it sounds. It's a system that enables you to determine standardized pricing for parts and services, factoring in various elements. Envision it like a grid, where one axis represents the cost of parts and the other, the labor hours. The meeting point, your fair and standardized price for a service. Matrix pricing eliminates guesswork, brings consistency, and ensures your services are correctly valued. Let's delve into how this matrix operates. Matrix pricing works on a sliding scale. The lower the cost of a part, the higher the multiplier based on the margin calculation. As the cost of parts rise, the markup drops. You factor in the components such as cost of parts, work complexity, labor cost, overhead costs, and the sneaky villain, inflation. This results in fair and profitable price for each job, ensuring financial stability. Matrix pricing gradually grows profits over time. It may take up to a year to boost your bottom line, but it's a proven strategy to improve your gross profit margins. Many management systems can program a parts pricing matrix, but they're often underused or improperly programmed. Here's where a professional monthly accounting service like ours steps in. By outsourcing these tasks, you can ensure accuracy, compliance, and gain valuable insights to make informed business decisions. Now for the matrix pricing template to get you started. This user-friendly template is your first step towards a structured, profitable pricing system. It's time to kiss financial guesswork and inconsistency goodbye. As an auto repair shop, your expertise is in servicing vehicles. With tools like the matrix pricing and professional accounting services, you can focus on your core competency while ensuring financial health and growth. If you want to learn more about our company and the services we provide, check out our website or schedule a free consultation. We'd love to meet with you and learn more about your business. Thanks for tuning in. Follow us for more insights to fuel your business success.